Enabling Face ID login on the Ally Insurance app is a straightforward process that enhances your security and convenience. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Ally Insurance app. Launch the Ally Insurance app on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you are in the app, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a GIS symbol. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select Security Options. In the settings menu, find and select the security or privacy options. This section contains various security features, including Face ID. Step 4. Enable Face ID. Look for the option labeled Face ID or Biometric Login. Toggle the switch to enable it. You may be prompted to confirm your identity using your current login method. Step 5. Confirm and test. After enabling Face ID, exit the settings and return to the login screen. Test the feature by closing and reopening the app to ensure that Face ID works correctly for logging in. Now you can enjoy the convenience of logging into your Ally Insurance account using Face ID.